If you've been trying to add size and strength to your back but you aren't seeing results, don't worry. In this video, we will share the 5 best exercises that will help you to build bigger and stronger back faster. Let's get started. 1. Pull-ups. Pull-ups stand as one of the most powerful exercises to amplify and sculpt your back muscles. Within the world of pull-ups, the wide grip variation emerges as a true standout. By embracing this form, you're diving headfirst into an exercise that truly challenges your back muscles, leaving them sculpted and expanded. If you're new to pull-ups or find them initially daunting, remember that even champions started somewhere. Enlist the support of a gym partner or instructor in the beginning. However, our ultimate suggestion is to push yourself to complete as many pull-ups as possible with impeccable form. Here's your goal. Aim for 5 sets of pull-ups, with a well-deserved 45 seconds of rest between each set. While pull-ups undoubtedly present a challenge, they hold the key to transforming your back workout routine. Embrace the challenge and watch as your back's size and strength experience a remarkable evolution. 2. Deadlift. The deadlift stands tall as an undisputed heavyweight champion, delivering unparalleled strength and muscle gains to your back. Within its realm, the deadlift offers a dynamic range capable of challenging your back muscles with both moderate and heavy loads. This exercise welcomes the pursuit of higher volumes and weights, making it a cornerstone of back development. Among the deadlift's arsenal of variations lie the sumo, conventional, beyond the range, and rack pulls. Choose your variation. Each holds its own magic. While the choice of variation matters, what truly reigns supreme is technique. Mastering the art of proper deadlift form paves the way for a journey into the realm of heavier weights and extraordinary results. 3. Seated cable row. The cable row is a horizontal seated pulling exercise that challenges and improves the back. While the cable allows you to take advantage of constant resistance, the hand position and arm path allow for your lats to create large amounts of tension. Including seated cable rows in your back workout routine will increase the back strength and size by activating multiple muscle groups of your back, like the latissimus dorsi in your middle back, the erector spinae muscles, the rhomboids in your upper back, and the lower trapezius. Great exercise for the back. 4. Lat pull-down. The lat pull-down is an open kinematic activity that utilizes a machine with an overhead bar to provide resistance to the back muscles. As its name suggests, lat pull-downs mainly target the latissimus dorsi muscle, the flat, broad muscle that spans the middle and lower back. Its main function is to adduct, extend, and internally rotate the arm at the shoulder joint, but it assists in respiration as well. It is the primary mover in lat pull-downs and does much of the work. And not only that, this exercise will help you building bigger and stronger lats, but lat pull-downs may also benefit your posture. As a result, pre-existing back pain may also be relieved. 5. Arm rows. The single dumbbell row is a unilateral isotonic exercise, meaning only one side of the body is used in order to produce muscle contraction. Traditionally, the single arm cable row is performed kneeling with one knee on a bench. However, you can also bend with one arm resting on your knee while you row as well. This exercise provides a variety of benefits, especially for the back. And because dumbbells are a remarkable training implement to help improve posture, balance, core stability, and assist in supporting any muscular imbalances, performing arm rows will help build a bigger, stronger back, targeting your lats. It's an easy exercise to execute. It doesn't load your spine in any way, and it requires less weight to be effective, so why not giving it a try? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss anything new. Thank you for watching. See you next time.